I'm Kelly from Just a Taste, and I love pancakes in every way, shape, or form. Sweet, savory, covered in fruit, topped in maple syrup. If you pancake it, I will absolutely eat it. So today we're gonna be making my favorite fluffy Greek yogurt pancakes, and they start off with a blend of all-purpose and whole wheat flour. So to our dry ingredients, we're gonna add some baking powder, a little bit of sugar, and then lastly, a little bit of salt. Give this a quick whisk. And this just goes to show you how easy it is to make your own pancake mix versus buying the box stuff. Because there's only one more component to this, which is our wet ingredients, starting off with our milk, 2 eggs, a little bit of vanilla extract, and for our star ingredient, our Greek yogurt. You can use any type of yogurt. It doesn't have to be Greek yogurt. I just love it for the flavor and the texture. But it ensures that these pancakes are gonna be super moist and have a little bit of added protein. We'll give these a quick whisk. Looking good. And then our last step before we get these onto a hot griddle is to add our wet ingredients to our dry ingredients. And here is the #1 tip when it comes to making pancakes at home. Do not overmix the batter, because the more we work this mixture, the more dense the pancakes are gonna be. So basically you just wanna mix until the ingredients are combined. So large lumps are our goal here. This looks perfect. I have my Greek yogurt pancake batter and I've got my hot griddle. So now I'm gonna use a ladle and we're gonna get our batter into nice little circular pancakes. And using the ladle I found is really easiest because you can get as close to a circular shape as possible, but again, no need for perfection. Get one more guy on here. Perfect. So now we want to wait to flip the pancakes until you see these bubbles forming all across the top of the surface. So just because you see 1 or 2 bubbles, don't be tempted to flip them or they won't be cooked through. We're going to wait until we have bubbles across all of them. And then my absolute favorite way to flip pancakes is actually using a fish spatula because it's super flexible and bendable. So it allows you to get underneath the pancakes, get a nice clean flip, and then we have an awesome stack. So once our pancakes have cooked for about 30 more seconds on the other side, you can kind of touch the tops and make sure that they're cooked through. Looking good. Oh my gosh, the smell. I like a good tall stack. All right, now somebody pass the maple syrup. I guarantee one taste of these pancakes and you'll be surprised at just how easy it is to make your own pancake mix from scratch, and you'll be ditching that box stuff for good.